Copy my simple productivity system. To me, a planning system should be simple and not wasting a lot of time on it, because we need to reserve our time and resources on the execution. Any plan without execution will always just remain a plan, no matter how great it is, and we are not able to achieve our goals of our plan. Do you agree? If you are looking for a simple and yet effective productivity system, then this video is for you.
So first thing what you're going to do is that you're going to set this up, right, as your planner. So here there's a new list, okay? So what we're going to do is very simple, click new list, yeah? Now new list, you can over here, let's say you want a list of your work, everything about all the tasks on your work, just put work, and then you can have like personal, okay? So because you can work for both your work and personal. The second step, which is to break down all your tasks or anything you plan to do, yeah? So you have like tasks, I say just put task 1, everything, right, that I want to do. So I want to have like meeting with so and so and so, okay, put in here, right? Anything that you want, okay? So you want more details, planning, right? By all means, you can watch this video that I created earlier on, right? So right now, I'm going to show you how to plan, right? Using this in this short video, okay? So you just list it down here, brain dump, throw everything that you want to do right over here. Then you go in, project this, right? What are the tasks that are related to the project? You just throw everything here. Same thing, sales. In order to do this, I need to create a website, okay? I need to hire sales reps, okay? Let's put everything right over here. One last thing, after you've done all that, right, I want to show you the most powerful tools for this Microsoft to do apps is My Day. I love this My Day. So every day before you start work, go into this page, and then all you need is just click this suggestion, right? I usually do it on my phone, right? Very simple, because all the lists that you already want to do, all the tasks is already here, yeah? So it shows you that this is today what you want. Click here, all right? So you see that this task 1, maybe it takes you like 1 hour, you can complete, you have more time. Then what you can do is that you can pick the rest. Click here, and then you see this is later, recently added. If you have timing, then you can put in here, I want to do it, let's say, today, and I can add it to My Day over here, and then come in here, and then you can do your prioritizations. Is it? So this is what is important one. You want to do it this first, do this first, and this, all right? So you can plan it all right over here. And then the best thing is that if you're done, you click it. If you're not done, all right, tomorrow it will reset again. You will go blank, and then you're gonna start do your scheduling again in this My Day. Right? So this is a very powerful tool set to always for you to remember to go back and review the list, right? Rather than you just set it to do and then you forget about and don't carry actions.
If can combine with time blocking method to ensure your tasks are executed, then you will achieve your goals faster. Watch this video on how to do time blocking. Share this to your friends and do subscribe to this channel if you like to improve your productivity at work.